Alright, so what we're gonna do is create a test bot and make it host it on a website called Glitch. So what we're gonna do is create the bot. So I already created bot. All you're gonna do is gonna be a button here. It's gonna be like build a bot, and you click on it to say yes, I'll do it and stuff like that. So what we'll do now is go here and on glitch.com, make sure you're logged in and stuff. Make a node app, it's called Node Express, and make sure you lock it so that no one can get to this app. Now what you're going to do in that .env file is take out all of that and type in token. That's going to be for later on. That's going to be your bot token later on. And then here you're going to add a package, two packages actually, Discord, which is here, Discord, and discord.js, discord.js, and here it is, discord.js and Discord. It's done. Now what you do is new file, watch.json, add that. Now in the watch.json file you're gonna have this thing. I'll put in a link description below for you to copy it, and there'll be a link to it and you can copy it from there. And then so in here this will be like full of stuff, just delete it all. This should be empty. Well, it doesn't start empty, you delete everything and then go here and do discord.js.org and copy that, and then go in here, put it in there. Token is where your token will be, where, so we're going to put it here, the token will be here. So click on that, copy that, go back to Glitch, paste it there, that's your token. Now go back here and type in process.env.token is done. Now it's logs. Maybe the node app. So I'm gonna make it 10 here. Make sure this is 10, and delete this by 0 and put that 0 back on to restart everything. And now logged in at the bottom here, it says logged in as testbot, so it works. So what you're gonna do now is for it to work 24/7 is go to Uptime Robot, add a new monitor, and then HTTPS test bot. So we're gonna here share, click on share here, copy that, go back to here and put it in there. Make sure this is 5 minutes, so 5 minutes is the thing. You can make it alert yourself, like make it alert you if the bot is down. Sure, do that for me and create monitor. It's gonna create the monitor, close this. Now click this above a bunch of times, it will load up your thing properly. And now what you're gonna do is in the auth2, click on bot, go down administrator, copy that, put it into another, put it into the URL place, and it will make you invite your bot to your server. I made a test server for myself for this bot to work. If it loads up, that is, it's taking a while. Okay, so here it is. Select the server, test server, this test server, authorize. You don't have to make the permissions administrator, but this is just a test bot, so I'm doing it for that reason. So now it should be in my test server. So here it is, test bot. This test bot is joined. The only command it has is ping, and ping pong, done, and go back to glitch. And if you want to change something, so if you change that to pings, and you write pings in here, it shouldn't change unless you actually go to the watch.json file and take off the 0 and put back the 0. So if you check logs, logged in test, yeah, so that's normal. So now when you type in pings, pong, and also this Discord bot, you won't be able to find the token here. The token is not the same anymore after once this video is uploaded to YouTube. This token is not the same. You have a different token, so don't try and copy that. So yeah, that's mostly it. If you want anything else put in here, that's like this is like secret things. No one will be able to see this. Only invited collaborators will be able to see your .env values. So if you don't invite anyone to this app, no one will be able to see it. No one will be able to see this, which is good. And yeah, that's it for now. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. I might do tutorials on other things throughout Glitch. You can actually make websites and Node apps with SQLite. I'm not sure about the Node app with database, the SQLite database. I don't know how to make that, but I would know how to make a website here on Glitch. If you have any questions you want to ask, put them in description, the comments below, and I'll just respond to it and help you guys. That's it. Well, bye then.